What's up YouTube, Shuddy here, and in today's video, we're opening 2 build and battle boxes. One Vivid Voltage, you know what we're hunting in there. If you don't, there's 4 different cards. There's a Donphan, which we don't want to see. But there's also the Charizard, a Lugia, and a Snorlax. We pulled the Lugia and the Charizard. We didn't pull the Snorlax, so technically we're hunting the Snorlax. But if we get the Lugia or the Charizard, not going to complain. We also have a Chilling Reign ETB, Build and Battle Box. I forget which promos are in here. I know there's one that I'm hunting, but I know there's a fish, Octillery, I think. We're going to get into this one first, but we're also going to see what we get out of the packs. There's 4 packs in each. We're still hunting the golden Snorlax. I think that's in here. I don't know. These sets seem like they were just yesterday, but so long ago. So we're going to do how we always do it. We're going to put this face down. We're going to get into the packs. So we got 4 packs. And it comes with this. These are always different, but this is the poster. We don't want it. Alright, so starting off with Calyrex. Alright. We hope, as always, we're hoping for 1 hit per battle box. But it's not, believe me, it's not guaranteed. Fiona. Ghastly. Got Coughing. Delibird. Shove It. And Dugtrio. That's about how it goes. Alright. Pack number 2. Just gonna pull those out. Did we get any birds? Yes, 2 birds. Alright. Ice Rider. And 4. We got Fire. And Caitlyn. And Beanie. Lucky Energy. Castform. Castform. Ladybug. Gollet. Clavo. Tasserina Reverse Rare, and a Walrein non-hollow. Galarian Zapdos. We do need the alt art too, but I don't know about pulling an alt art out of Build and Battle Box. I never have. I'm sure it's been done, but I don't hold my breath on that. Rugged Helmet. Crabominable. We do need the Galarian Zapdos Roadrunner alt art. Blitzel. Ladybug. And a Gengar Hollow. Okay. Very miscut. I always say, if you're going to miscut a card, miscut it all the way. Alright, it looks like we're out of sleeves. Get another pack of sleeves quick. Alright. So far, no ultras. We did get a hollow Gengar. Looks like we did get something. We have been getting lucky as far as the 1 hit. It's been like we hit a Bay full art. We hit an Alakazam full full art. So let's see what we can do from Chilling Reign. We got Honey. And an Ice Rider Calyrex full art. That is a beautiful looking card. I love the color on this card. The purple and blue background. Definitely off-centered. But, wow. Very cool. Alright, so, hey, it's something. And now, Vivid Voltage. So, can we find another Don fan? We're gonna do this that way. The big reveals at the end. See, like, this one got its own little poster. Boom. Massive energy and wild color. Alright, we got Orbeetle. 2 cards. Both Pikachus. Can we find one? Or will we find an amazing rare Jirachi? That card, every time I open Vivid Voltage, I find a Jirachi. Kakuna and Quagsire. Okay. Pikachu. That's who we're looking for. What we really want to see is Lugia or Charizard. Bay.
Get ready with me as I find a top cashback credit card. Inflation's been as high as 9% the past year, and everything's more expensive.
Mike, Wilmer, Dynamo, Execute, Chatot, Calavo, Galarian Meowth, and a Yanmaga. Alright. 2 packs left. Alright, fire. Bay again. Whoa. Alright. Now we're back. Joltik. Cottony. Mudbray. Slugma. Whalmer. And Shamrot. Non-holler. Not Hisuian. Alright, last pack of Vivid Voltage. We might have something. Alright, Excadrill. Nuzleaf. Opal. Grandma Opal. Duskull. Voltorb. Weedle. Drillbur. Clefairy. Drone Rotom. What is it? It's gold. Orangaroo gold. We hit a shiny Orangaroo. What an awesome card. Wow. Pack fresh shiny Orangaroo. It's a little bit big on the left side, but I don't care. It's packed fresh and it's shiny. I thought at first it was hyper rare. Got excited. So see, I'm telling you, these building battle boxes, a full art and a gold. So out of Chilling Reign, we got, alright, we got the good one, Inteleon. Very, very cool. That's right, it's Inteleon and Cinderace. And then there's Octillery and something else are the stud ones. Alright, so we did get the one that I wanted out of here, for sure. Right, so Inteleon. And then, see if there's anything worth. There should be more Inteleons. Yep. 2 more Inteleons. And then some Doug Trios and a code card. Right. So let's sleeve up this Inteleon. So that is the... I'm sure there's Cinderace and Inteleon fans, but I would say that's the best one. Very nice. But now, here comes the big one. Fire. Or colorless. No brown. Snorlax. Okay. Very cool. So, hey, we got them all now. I'm happy. I will take it. Alright. So, Hollow Snorlax. A little bit off-centered. That sucks. But no print lines. Full hollow, too, to the whole card. Will definitely be a nice addition. And we should have 2 Charizards in here, too. Oh, yep, there it is. Charmander, Charmeleon, and double Charizard. And there is our code card. Alright, if you liked the video, you know what to do. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. We're almost up to 200. I don't think we'll hit it yet when this video comes out, hopefully. But as always, thanks for watching. This is Shuddy out.